Welcome back to Lexus of Royal Oak. We are located at 7677 112th Avenue Northwest, Calgary, Alberta, in the Northwest of the Mall. Here we have one of our pre-owned units. This is a 2013 Ford C-Max Hybrid in the white finish. All vehicles purchased at Lexus of Royal Oak come with an automatic enrollment into a Royal VIP Rewards program. Some of the features on this vehicle include heated side mirrors, keyless entry with push start ignition, power door locks, power windows, power adjustable driver's seat, hands-free controls, hands-free calling, multimedia display with navigation and backup camera, panoramic sunroof, black leather interior, all of this and much, much more. To find out more about this vehicle, please visit us at lexusofroyaloak.com or call us to schedule a test drive at 403-296-9600.